So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. So aspirant, today we are going to talk important point regarding your preparation. See, when you go for your preparation, don't panic. Okay, many messages are coming to me every day. Sir, I have decided that for endo I'm going to take 5 days, but I have taken 7 days, 8 days. Please aspirants, don't get panic. Our mind cannot gauge perfect thing. If you're planning that yes, I will do this thing in 7 hours, it may go to 8 hours also, and sometime to 9 hours also. That 7 hours will decrease to 5 hours, 6 hours when you keep on revising. So revision is very important in your preparation, and also you should not panic. Like for example, imagine that 7 days are there for your preparation. 1 or 2 days bad. Bad means you should not study. That should not happen. Make it little productive. If you keep on making every day little productive, at the end you are going to get good result. Remember, for example, if you have 3 months time of preparation, your marks which are coming are the average of all these days. It is not like that one day you are studying more and next day not. You have to keep on studying every day. Okay, and while panicking, nothing will happen. You are going to disturb your timetable. So keep your mind at a cool, have patience and trust on yourself and on your God, and keep on studying. And always remember, any problem is there in planning, I am there for you. Okay, so let's start with the today videos. We have a part 13 of HPSC past paper discussion. Please go through all once again, all 1 to 12 part. You are going to get important MCQs as well as important concepts. So first question of the day, 0 degree teeth is used for what purpose? It is used for flat ridge, flat poor residual ridge. Okay, you can use for the bruxism also, for uncoordinated muscular movement, and for the class 2 and class 3 relation. Why we require for such cases? Because this teeth is going to offer lesser resistance to horizontal forces. And remember, 0 degree teeth are also known as cuspless, monoplane and non-anatomic teeth, but they have little disadvantages like shearing efficiency is poor, aesthetic is not good, and lateral and protrusive balance is not possible like in the anatomic teeth. Which of the following material is used as mucostatic impression material? That is your zinc oxide eugenol followed by alginate. Remember aspirant, these lines are from the Phillips. You have to remember this only, because in many books different things are given. Remember, your impression plaster is the best mucostatic material. They are not going to compress tissue during their setting reaction. And even your hydrocolloid is considered mucostatic. And mucocompressive are your elastomers and impression compound. To replace a missing canine, the best Pontic design is what? That is your modified ridge lab. Whenever you read question from your Pearls or from Gauri Shankar, from wherever, from our academy also, please try to go through such word like best, accept, okay, commonly used, ideal, and then read the question. So best Pontic design is ours. It is the modified ridge lab. Then tissue reaction that is common to overextension of labial flanges of complete denture is Euphilis fissuratum. It is a benign hyperplasia of fibrous connective tissue which develops as a reactive lesion to chronic mechanical irritation produced by the flange of a poorly fitting denture. Don't get confused with the Euphilis granulomatosa. It is a granuloma which grows from an extraction socket. Now, which of the following truly adheres to the tooth surface? That is your glass ionomer cement. One more cement is that is a zinc polycarboxylate that also adheres to the tooth surface. The relationship of the denture base that resists dislodgement in horizontal direction indicate the stability of denture. Connector is half pear shaped. Let us see a few important one for lingual bar. This is a lingual bar. It can be a good question for the NEET MDS aspirant. Remember aspirant, it is located above moving tissue but as far as below the gingival tissue as possible. The advantage is that they have a minimal contact with the oral tissue and minimal tissue coverage and does not contact teeth, so chances of decalcification is minimized. But there are disadvantages like it may be flexible if poorly constructed, and rigidity is less compared to a well constructed lingual plate. Then most rigid elastomeric impression material is what? That is your polyether. Remember, polysulfide have highest tear strength Tear strength of polysulfide is more than polyether. Polysulfide is biocompatible and they have highest working time and setting time, which is advantage. Then polyether has highest cytotoxicity and it is stiffest, that is very rigid. So cast is difficult to remove. So please try to remember these two important points. Then prognosis is good in 3-wall pocket, which is the least hygienic pontic, that is your saddle ridge-lap pontic. Anterior vibrating line is located in soft parietal tissue. Remember, your PPS area lies between the anterior and posterior vibrating line. This anterior vibrating line is an imaginary line located at the junction of attached tissue overlying the hard palate and movable tissue of the soft palate. You can locate your anterior vibrating line by Valsalva maneuver. Then chlorhexidine gluconate, a commonly used product in dentistry. So it has different concentration. You can use 0.12, 0.2 and 0.1% as a mouth rinses. Remember, 2% as an endodontic irrigant and 5% as surface disinfection. So here the correct answer is 0.2%. Now regeneration in PDL therapy aims at what? It is a reconstruction of the lost periodontium. Now, which is the most objective sign of gingivitis? That is bleeding on probing. Now, gingival enlargement in pregnancy is known as what? That is angiogranuloma. And so whenever the implant is osteointegrated aspirant, so what your implant is going to contact? It is going to contact alveolar bone. So dear aspirant, that was all for today. Any doubt in preparation, you can contact me. The information is there. If any of my students have not joined test series or lecture series, if they want to join, they can DM me. Till then aspirant, take care, keep on working hard, and remember always that you have to get to the best. Though we have seen the dentistry is not that much flourishing, okay, but if you flourished, automatically you are going to be ahead in your dentistry. Till then aspirant, take care. Any doubt, I am there for you.